Hello everyone, today we'll go over the step-by-step instructions to add an additional key using this ProKeyBox kit. To begin, you must have one working key to add any additional key. This kit is compatible with 2013 to 2017 RAM 3500. I will list compatibility guide at the end of this video. This kit comes with the aftermarket key, the programmer tool, and the instruction manual. If you have your own unprogrammed key, you can also purchase the programmer tool separately as an alternative option. This tool will work on aftermarket or the original key. Today, we'll program the aftermarket key with the kit. Once you use this programmer, it will lock to your car VIN. This means you can reuse it many times in your vehicle, but not in any other vehicle. So, to begin the process, you need to connect the tool to the OBD board. Once you connect it, select the make, model, and year of your car. Next, the screen will say press the brake and start the vehicle. So press the brake and start your vehicle to get to the next step. Press enter. Now, it will be connecting to your vehicle. Once it says turn the ignition off, please turn the ignition off. Press enter. Now, it will be communicate to your vehicle. Now, the tool will tell you to press unlock button 10 times on the new key fob you want to program. Within a few seconds you will hear the tool beep. Now it's all done. Your key is ready to go. So, next, unplug the tool and let's test the key. As you can see here, it's working. Repeat the steps if you have more keys to program. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.